Honor X5 Plus. Pattern removed. You don't know your pattern lock. Don't worry. Let's fix the problem. Press the power button and turn off your phone. Press the down volume button and power button. When is screen on, release the power button and hold the up volume button. Here now, recovery mode on. Press the up volume button and select clear data. Selected factory data reset. Type the yes word. Please wait a few minutes. Wait, your phone is now resetting. Please restart your phone. Successfully work completed.